So in this lesson, we're going to add some good-looking terrain to our game and use the terrain package which we used to use a long time ago for the standard assets. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your package manager and you want to get the terrain tools. Okay? So you're going to add the terrain tools to your game, and then you need to go get these asset samples from the asset store. You could get this one too if you want to, but I just downloaded these. So package manager, terrain tools, and then the assets from the asset store. It's a little bit different on there. So if you downloaded the scene like I did, you have a terrain. If you didn't, you may have to go create a terrain to get these features inside there. So that's game object, 3D object, and terrain. Okay, once you do and you click on it, these are some of the features you have. You can, I don't use that one. This one opens up so you can raise and lower your terrain, keep some hills and stuff inside there, or you can paint a texture. That's what I did. So I had to add a texture. So where you're clicked on this, you're going to add a texture right here. And you should see the grass and stuff come up once you've loaded your assets inside here. Once you get your tracing, they should come up. So I haven't painted my whole one yet, but if you look at my game, you can see I've painted the scene with grass. So now I have a more realistic looking scene. And when I go through that door, I'm going to make sure I have grass. Maybe I have some different paint some different types of grass inside there. So once you do that, you're just going to go to your terrain and paint it. So you could go like to your so yeah, the other thing you may want to do is you may want to turn off your nav mesh. So and then you can be able to see your surfaces and stuff. So when you go to paint your game. So if you need to create a new terrain, if not, just use the terrain you have there and paint some stuff inside there, and let's see what we can get going with the hills and stuff. You can always recreate your terrain and then just add like a castle stuff to it too if you want to make your own stuff. So see whatever works best for you, and then give me an image capture when you're done, maybe from your game when you play. So this one's using the old terrain that came with the castle. So if I do it in the future, I may just create my own and bring a castle in. And then it'd be a little bit easier to see this. It looks like when I click on this, if I say don't show me the nav mesh, it gives me this thing. Probably because it's old. But anyway, I'll have another lesson here where you can see some of the hills and stuff, and you can see I painted the terrain there. Anyway, get it done. Let me know if you have